Here's to the overachievers, the never quitters. Here's to when the going gets tough, I get tougher. Hard work, determination, and grit. Pride in my work and pride in my hog. Here's to the blasters, grinders, groovers, and rumblers. Here's to laying down the line crisp and laying it right. Cameron Braun from All States Pavement Recycling. Outstanding Hog Operator. Hog Technologies is proud to recognize operators like you. Cameron Braun from All States Pavement Recycling.
I want to thank Hog Technologies for this reward. Sean and technical support has been amazing down there. I want to thank my family for letting me do this job. If it wasn't for them, it'd be hard to do. They support me. I want to thank the workers at all states. I'll name a few. There's Brandon, there's Lee, James, Jake in the shop's been great. There's Bill, AJ, Chris. If it wasn't for these guys, we couldn't get the job done. So thank you all.
From all of us here at Hog Technologies, we salute you.